to remove the cost of a disposed non-current asset. Let's look at a simple example. Your business owns two cars. Pink car is costing $5,000, whereas the orange car is costing $7,000. So in total, the business owns $12,000 worth of cars. At the end of the year, 31st 12/2006, the business decides to dispose one of the cars, which is the pink car, costing $5,000. So how are we going to do the accounting records in this circumstance? You remove from the existing non-current asset, therefore you credit non-current asset, whereas you add to disposal account, non-current disposal account debit. So as you can see, I'm going to show this in accounting. At the beginning of the year, you had nearly 12,000 worth of cars. Your total cost of both the cars were 12,000. Whereas at the end of the year, you're selling 5,000 worth of it. So you move to the debit side of the disposal account, 31st 12/2006, opposite account's name, car account or non-current asset. You're selling 5,000 worth of it. So you debit car disposal account by 5,000 and you credit car's account by $5,000 on 31st 12/2006, and the opposite account name would appear as disposal. So see here, you can find a mathematical calculation. 12,000 were the total cost at the beginning of the year. At the end of the year, you're selling 5,000 worth of it. Therefore, the remaining amount of the cars in the business at the end of 31st 12/2006 should be 7,000. So how are we going to show this calculation in accounting? So you know the accounting rule of balancing a ledger. First you compare your debit side with your credit side, and you can see that your debit side is greater. Bring down the debit side, which is 12,000. From this 12,000 you deduct the amount which is on the credit side. 12,000 take away 5,000 gives you 7,000. 31st 12/2006 as balance carried down, and then 1st of 1st 2007, the next day, would be balance brought down worth 7,000. We cannot balance the car disposal right now. Once we are decided with the selling price and the accumulated depreciation, we will be balancing the car disposal account. Now this 7,000 will be the amount which will reflect in the statement of financial position at the end of the year. So in statement of financial position, you get cost, accumulated provision for depreciation, and then you get your net book value. Over here, you write cars or motor vehicles, and the cost at the end of the year now is worth only 7,000.